Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm going to show you how to clear cache in Firefox. It seems like every year they change the location. So you have to go to the menu. Press the Alt key on your keyboard. Go to Tools, Settings, Privacy and Security. Scroll down to where you see Clear History. And here you have the options of deleting different settings in Firefox, but what you want is clear cache only. And you have options here: last hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, and today, or everything. I want everything. Clear now, and you're done. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, Patreons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friend, Benjamin R. Price. Your name can be here too. Link below.